Welcome to today's tutorial on how to edit the language in your Facebook profile on PC. Let's jump right in. Step 1. Open Facebook by typing facebook.com into your web browser and pressing enter. Once the page loads, log into your account using your email and password. Step 2. Locate your profile photo at the top right corner of the screen and click on it. This will open your profile page. Step 3. Click on the About section, which can be found below your profile photo. This will take you to the page where you can edit your profile details. Step 4. Inside the Contact and Basic Info tab, you'll see a pen icon next to the desired language. Click on it to make changes. Step 5. Now. You can add your desired languages by typing them in the text box, or remove current ones by clicking on the X next to the language you want to remove. Step 6. Finally, click on the Save button at the bottom of the page to save your language preferences. And there you have it. You've successfully edited the language in your Facebook profile on PC. Enjoy using Facebook in your preferred language. Thanks for watching.